Right. Yes. Good morning, boys. Okay. We are discussing
Good
about. I'm
morning,
just.
sir.
Yeah. I think you are able to see that screen. Yes. What I've
Morning.
shared. Yes.
Yes, sir. I just
Right.
sir.
Now.
We can see how
Yeah.
the dog
The
how
question
the
may be,
how the
what
dog
is the
found himself a new master.
yes. Yes. The
The
title of
dog
this story
found
is
himself a
How
new
the
master.
Dog Found Himself a New Master. My dear boys, at the beginning, you can, yes, all of you just keep quiet till the time I go on explaining. And later on, I'll ask you to read also. There's no problem. Okay? Right. Let me at first explain, okay, how the title of this story. So, what is the title of the story? They may ask the question based on the extract. So, you should be able to tell the title of the story. The title of the story is very important. The writer of the story is also very important. So, you should be able to remember the title. How the dog found himself a new master. How the dog found himself a new master. Okay, so here we can see wolf and dog. The first master of the dog is Wolf. The first master of the dog is Wolf. Who is the second master? The second master of the dog is a bear. Who is the third master of the dog? That is lion. Lion is the king of the forest. Yes, and it is considered to be the most fierce, yes, or ferocious animal. Will you say lion or tiger? Which is the most ferocious? Yes, some feel that it's a tiger, some others feel that it's a lion. But the strongest animal which is there in the forest is lion. Okay, so let's go to the story now. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do. The plural of wolf is wolves. The plural of leaf is leaves. Now, later on, next chapter, we are going to see, yes, gender, we are going to see, plural, we are going to see. It's different noun forms that we are going to see. Okay, so in freedom, so dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do in freedom. So in liberty, how the wolves live, similar way
Good
the
morning,
dogs
sir.
lived in the forest until a dog was born. Until a dog was born who was ill pleased. The dog was not very happy. Why the dog was not very happy? He didn't like this way of life, living all alone in the forest, wandering in the forest. So it was not very happy, ill pleased, not happy with this way of life. He was sick of this kind of life. He was tired of wandering about. So, what he was doing, what kind of life he was doing, he was wandering about himself. He was moving all alone. He was walking all alone, moving from one place to another place, wandering, aimlessly moving, without any, yes, aim. So he didn't know where he was moving like. And what kind of life he was living? He was wandering from place to place. He was looking for food. He was searching for food and he was frightened. So there are three reasons why dog wanted to find a master. So what are those three reasons that you have to find? One thing is that it was wandering from place to place. Second thing is that it was always looking for food. It was always searching for food. And it was also frightened of the animals which were stronger than him. So these are the three reasons why the dog was looking for a master. He thought it over. What is, yes, thought? Thought is the past tense of think. He thought it over. He thought it over and decided that what did he decide? He decided that The best thing for him to do was, yes, very good, Satvik. Think, thought, very good. So the best thing for him was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. So somebody who is quite strong, he wanted that animal to be his master. He wanted that animal to be his master. He set out. He started to find such a master. He set out means what? Set out means start. So he started to find a master who was stronger than anyone on the earth. He walked and he walked. He walked and he walked and he met a kinsman of his. He met a relative of his kinsman relative. So, yes, who looks like his cousin, you can say. So, yes, cousin, brother, you can say, kinsman, relative. Yes, a big wolf was as strong as he was fierce. So, big wolf, yes, was as strong as he was fierce, he was ferocious. I'm very happy that Satvik, Bimu, they are chatting and they are writing about this, whatever their understanding is. It's a very good. Others also, whatever you feel like, whatever you have been learning, you can make use of the chat box and good learning will be there. Maybe others will also learn a lot. Very good. Okay. I'm very happy with some of you who are, yes, rather than commenting here. It's good. Sir, please explain in Hindi. My dear Vinny, now you see here, at the beginning I was explaining to you in Hindi, but now, yes, we have to switch over to English. Okay. In the case of first story, I did explain to you in Hindi. Maybe in the case of some of those words which are difficult ones, if you ask me, I'll try to tell its a meaning in Hindi, or your friends can help you to tell in Hindi. Okay, right. But at the beginning, I was using Hindi and Kannada. Yes, sir, in English. So somebody says in English only. Okay, fine. Don't worry because we have boys from other mediums also. Okay, right. But you see here, if you go on listening to English. Yes, if you go on listening to English, you'll be able to improve your English language. I'm speaking very slowly. I'm not speaking very fast. Why I'm speaking very slowly? Because you should be able to catch, right? Somebody says I should explain in Kanda, but I want to tell you that that is only at the beginning. Now almost a month is over. Yes, see, this it's a month end. Today is the last day of this month. So I hope that you have picked up by this time some, yes, you have picked up English. Okay, to some extent, right? Okay. Kinsman, uh, if in the case of some words, I'll just tell their meaning. Okay, like kinsman is a relative. Relative? Yes, what do we say in Kanda? Kinsman relative. One of you can just say. Yes, Bigru, kinsman.
संबंधिकरो
हाँ हाँ, yes, Bigru you can say. और रिश्तेदार हिंदी में हम उसको रिश्तेदार बोलेंगे. So whatever is a difficult word that I'll tell. A big
संबंधिकरो
संबंधी करो, right, kinsman, संबंधी करो, very good.
relations
Relation, right, relation. So in Hindi, yes, a big wolf
कुटुंब
who was as strong as he was fierce. Fierce means very violent. Yes, the tigers and all, they are very violent. They have, you get scared of them. Okay, fierce, ferocious. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. Now, the first master of the wolf, yes, of the dog is wolf. And dog says, where are you going, dog? I'm looking for someone to take up service with. See here, looking for. Looking for means what? Searching. Looking for. Yes, he's searching. Searching for what? He wants to be servant of somebody. He wants to have service. He wants to have a job with somebody, right? Would you like would you like to be my master, Wolf? Would you like to be my master? मेरे मालिक बनेंगे आप? Yes, yes, मालिक बनेंगे, right? Wolf is first master. Very good. Wolf is first master. Spelling, you can just check spelling WOLF. Okay. All right. I am reading all that, whatever you are writing. Okay. Prithvi, very long one you have been writing. You can just write short one, no problem. Okay. All right. Yes, we'll go ahead with this. Very interesting story. See, we also see in our case also, that problem is there. We always want to be sometimes master, dominate others, or we want to be, yes, subordinate to somebody. That is the human tendency. This story tells us a lot about our life also. We always want to either serve somebody, or we want to be master, means we want to be a leader, or we want to be a follower. So let's go beyond this story, and there's a beautiful story, even in English also. There's a beautiful drama there. Huh? Waiting for, yes, Godot. That's a beautiful drama that we'll discuss about it. I'll tell you good stories also. Okay, later when we have got enough time, at that time I'll tell you number of stories. Okay, an English period is to enjoy. Okay, you have to learn. How will you learn? When you enjoy the language, then you learn. Okay, so I am looking for, I am searching. ನಾನು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ I want to do some job somewhere. I want to become a servant. Would you like to be my master? I don't see why not. The wolf agrees immediately. If somebody is going to be his servant and he need not pay anything, isn't it? Wolf has to pay anything? Nothing. So the wolf agreed. And if somebody is ready to serve you, you'll be very happy, isn't it? And the wolf agreed. And the two of them went down. What? Yes, went is the past tense of go. So they went down together. They were walking together. They were moving together. I think those who are from Kannada medium and English medium, yes, go, went, gone, very good. Yes, yes. So they walked, and all of a sudden, what has happened? Something happened. The wolf lifted his nose. Who lifted his nose? So the wolf was smelling something, sniffing. They do that, no? Dogs they sniff, but here the wolf was sniffing. It was smelling something with the nose, like this sniffing. Who was doing it? That wolf was doing it. He was sniffing. He darted, slowly started moving. Slowly started moving. Where? He moved into the bush. He moved into the bush. All of you join in time so that, yes, I mean, right. So he suddenly moved into the bush and crept deeper and went deeper. Yes, they have a very strong smelling power. Yes, and even dogs, not only wolf, even the dogs have very, very strong smelling power. Very good. The dog was much surprised. We have seen this word, surprised, amazed, wondered. So you are learning different words there. Amazed, yes.
ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಚಕಿತರಾಗುವುದು.
Yes, ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗೋದು, ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಚಕಿತ್ ಹೋಣ. Very good. Surprised, right? What's come over you, master? What has happened to you, master? Because the dog was very surprised. And yes, this wolf was scared. No, can't you see there's a bear out there? Can't you see? And this wolf was afraid of bear, and he might eat up both of us. So you and me, so both of us, we should be very, very careful. And this bear will eat. So bear is the second master. Who is the second master? Bear is the second master. Bear is capable of eating both of them, yes. And bear is capable of eating us also. Okay, if you find yourselves in the forest, yes. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf. Who was stronger than the wolf? Bear was stronger than the wolf. See that comparative form, we are able to see that. Stronger than the wolf. The dog decided to take up service with him. So the dog has decided that it will serve whom? It will serve the bear. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily. The bear agreed. Now, yes, he's going to be, yes, his master, the dog's master. Who? Bear is going to be the dog's master. Yes, somebody's waiting there in the right. Yes, I could see good number of them have joined today as the examinations are yes, approaching. Worries are there. Right. Okay, so the second master is now bear, right? Okay. And at the end we'll just and said, let's go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. So whatever we get, yes, bear is omnivorous. Yes, bear is omnivorous. Very good. So it is herbivorous as well as, yes, what? Yes, it's omnivorous, isn't it? Right. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. Okay, I just left it there, omnivorous. I thought you'll add to that herbivorous and carnivorous. Yes, you would have added to that, right? I was just a strong, stronger, strongest. Very good. So those are the yes degrees of adjectives. Very good. Lion carnivorous. Very good. So very good, boys. Right, I'm very happy that you are adding, and others also they are going to add to that. Probably whatever you have been studying in yes biology, that probably you'll be adding you. Yes, right. So they walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. So there was a terrible noise. There was a big sound. The cows were moving. They will make that sound, no? Cows moo. Who moo? Cows moo. Dogs bark. Yes, donkeys bray. Right? And lions roar. Tigers roar. Very good. So the cows were moving loudly and running. Yes, somebody. Okay, running in a panic in all directions. So there are cows moo. Very
Sir,
good.
bears growl.
Yes.
Sir, bear
Ah,
growls.
growl. Okay, growl. Right. Base growl. Right. Even dogs also growl. Okay. Right. Good. So they were running in panic. So they were scared. They were frightened. Out of fear, they were running in all directions. Who were running in all directions? The cows were running in all directions. There, the bear looked out from behind a tree, and the bear was looking out from behind a tree. Yes, scared. Very good. Scared. Somebody has given the meaning of this also. Wolves howl also fine. Howling of the wolves. Right. So the bear looked out behind a tree, and then he too ran hastily in hurry deeper into the forest. So the bear also goes deep into the forest. So bear also goes deep into the forest, right? So yes, so some right, right. Okay, the bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper. So bear has also run away. Yes, why the bear has run away? Let's see here. Now we are coming to the end of the chapter, isn't it? So here, can you see here? The bear is scared when the cows are moving helter skelter. Run, run, run. Very good. Run, run, run. Helter skelter. The cows are moving in all directions. They are scared. Yes, panic. Yes, fright or panic. Yes, fear or scared. Very good. Very good, boys. So you can you see here, cows are moving in yes, in all directions means helter skelter. That is a phrase. That is a phrase. That is idiom. Okay. Let's move on to the next one now. Okay. I can see some boys are there again and again in lobby. Yes. Okay. Right. Today very good number. Right. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. It's the lion who is the king of the forest. Yes, last few minutes, I'm going to conduct a test for you. Yes, be ready for the test. Be
Okay,
ready
sir.
with the notebook also. Okay, we are coming to the climax of this story and then how it will be there in the examination. That's what we're going to just have a practice. The lion, we see, don't you know, is the strongest beast on the earth. So he's the strongest beast, strongest animal on the earth. Well, well then. So yes, Paras, you are speaking, but I'm not able to hear you. Not only me, I think nobody is able to hear you. There's some problem at your.
Yes,
Afterwards,
sir,
we'll
we can't
discuss.
hear him.
I think some
Return
network problem. Okay, I'll just go ahead with the story, right? Right. The lion is the king of the forest. Very good. So who is he? Don't you know he's the strongest beast on earth? He's the strongest animal on earth. So beast is a wild animal. Okay. We say that he is beastly. He is. They are very violent. They are very cruel. They are always ready to kill others. So yes, they're always looking for prey. Yes, right. Well then, I will say goodbye to you. So predator and prey. You are familiar with that. Then it says, okay, I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. So who became the master now? Yes, it's a lion. The lion agreed to it. And the dog stayed with him for a long, long time. Because lion is the king of forest and served him for a long, long time. And in the case of yes, lion, he remained for a longer period of time because lion is very strong animal. The strongest one among all, very ferocious, fierce. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain because there were no other stronger animals than the lion in the forest. For there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dare touch the dog or offend him in any way. So nobody, yes, could dare. Nobody had daring. Yes, cruel opposite is kind. Very good. Cruel opposite is kind. Very good. Okay. So here, who is kind? Now here, nobody is kind and nobody is cruel, isn't it? Okay, let's see here. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path. Along the way that ran amid bare cliffs. So cliff, that rocky area, that steep rocky area. That's the cliff. When all of a sudden the lion stopped, he gave a great roar. Who was roaring? Lion was roaring and struck the ground angrily with his paw. So suddenly, what he has done? Struck. That is the past tense of strike. So suddenly with paw, he has hit the ground. Strike means what? Hit. So he has strike and past tense of strike is struck. Struck the ground angrily with his paw. So lion will have a paw, cat will have a paw, yes, a dog will have a paw, and birds will have a claw. Yes, birds will have a claw, whereas cat, dog, what do they have? They have a paw, right? And lion with its paw, very powerful paw, with great force, that a hole formed there because it has stuck the ground, it has hit the ground, stuck, hit. Then he began to back away. Slowly started, usually, it will try to, show how powerful it is, right? Then it slowly started backing away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? What has happened, master? Anything wrong there? Asked the dog, surprised. I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We'd better run for it, or we will be in trouble. Oh, well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Yes, I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Okay, and let's go to the end part of the story. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant. Most faithful servant. Loyal? Very faithful servant. So, who is man's most faithful servant? Who is man's most loyal servant? That is a dog. The questions will be asked like this. And the dog knows no other master. The dog doesn't serve anybody else. Dog serves only the man. And dog is servant of man. Man is master of the dog. So who is the master of dog? That's a man. And who is the most loyal servant of man? That is dog. Okay, like these questions will be asked in the examination. Very good. So many of you have been able to give the answers here. I'm very happy. Atharva, Meer, Rohit. Yes, all of you have been giving these answers. Now later we are moving on to the very important part. That is how the questions will appear in the examination. Are you ready for that? Yes. Meanwhile, what I'll just do is that yesterday I was not able to upload whatever I had taken up. That's mainly because, yes, it's mainly because uh, it had exceeded the MB which permits us. So beyond that limit, it will not permit us to record as far as WebEx is concerned, right? So we'll
Sir,
just go to that particular screen. Yes, we'll have a practice of that.
there are no notes for the friendly mongoose.